In the vast, blue expanse of our planet's oceans, a hunter reigns supreme, a creature of stark contrast, black and white, moving with a blend of grace and lethal power. We call them killer whales, but their true nature is far more complex, more intelligent, and more socially intricate than that name suggests. They are the Orcas, and much like their terrestrial counterparts, the wolves, they are the undisputed rulers of their domain. This is the story of the wolves of the sea. Orcas, or Orcinus orca, are not whales at all. They are the largest members of the dolphin family, a testament to nature's ability to scale a design to perfection. Their sleek, hydrodynamic bodies can slice through the water at speeds over 30 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest marine mammals on the planet. But speed is just one tool in their formidable arsenal. Their true power lies in their minds. Orcas possess the second largest brains among all marine mammals, second only to the sperm whale. This incredible cognitive power is evident in everything they do. They communicate using a complex series of clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls, with different family groups, or pods, developing their own unique dialects. It's a language passed down through generations, a sonic tapestry that binds them together. This isn't just simple communication, it's culture. And it's this culture that draws the most striking parallel to wolves. Like a wolf pack, an orca pod is a tight-knit family unit, often led by the oldest and wisest female domain. She is the keeper of the pod's collective knowledge, where to find food during different seasons, which hunting techniques are most effective, and how to navigate the vast ocean highways. Her children, and even her grandchildren, will stay by her side for their entire lives. A multi-generational dynasty built on cooperation and shared wisdom. This social structure is the foundation of their hunting prowess. Orcas are apex predators, sitting at the very top of the food chain. Nothing in the ocean hunts them. Their diet is incredibly diverse and depends entirely on the culture of their specific pod. Some pods are specialists, a behavior that showcases their remarkable intelligence and adaptability. In the frigid waters of the Antarctic, we witness one of nature's most ingenious hunting strategies. Here, pods of orcas have perfected the art of wave washing. They work together in perfect synchrony, spotting a seal resting on a floating piece of ice. Swimming in a tight formation, they create a powerful wave that washes over the ice floe, knocking the unsuspecting seal directly into the water and into their waiting jaws. This is an instinct. It's a learned technique, a complex, coordinated plan executed with military precision and passed from mother to calf. Move north to the coastal waters of Patagonia, and we see a different, yet equally breathtaking, display of skill. Here, orcas have learned to intentionally beach themselves to catch sea lion pups playing in the shallows. It's an incredibly risky maneuver. A slight miscalculation could leave the massive predator stranded on the shore. Yet, they perform this feat with astonishing accuracy, a testament to years of practice and observation. The older, experienced hunters teach the younger members, guiding them, nudging them, until they too have mastered this daring and dangerous family tradition. But orcas don't just hunt seals and sea lions. Their cooperative strategies allow them to take on prey much larger than themselves. Some pods specialize in hunting great white sharks, flipping the mighty predator upside down to induce a state of paralysis known as tonic immobility. Others work together to hunt the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale. A pod of orcas will relentlessly pursue a blue whale calf, separating it from its mother over a chase that can last for hours. They coordinate their attacks, biting and ramming their target until it is exhausted. It's a brutal, yet effective display of what a family working together can achieve. Yet, not all orcas are the same. Scientists have identified different ecotypes of orcas, distinct populations that have different diets, behaviors, and even physical appearances. They live in the same waters but rarely interact or interbreed, almost as if they are different species. There are the residents of the Pacific Northwest who have a specialized diet of fish, primarily Chinook salmon. They are highly vocal and live in large, stable family pods. Then there are the transients, or big killer whales, who roam the same coastlines. These are the mammals. They move in smaller, quieter groups, using stealth to ambush seals, sea lions, and porpoises. Their silence is a hunting tool, as their prey can hear the calls of the fish-eating residents. And there are even more. Offshore ecotypes live far out at sea, hunting in large groups for schools of fish and sharks. In the Antarctic, multiple types exist, some eating seals, others fish, and some even specializing in minke whales. Each group possesses a unique set of knowledge, a cultural blueprint for survival that defines who they are. This deep cultural identity means orcas also possess something that feels remarkably human: emotion. Scientists have observed what appears to be grieving behavior. Mothers have been seen carrying their deceased calves for days, even weeks, refusing to let them go. Pods will rally around sick or injured members, supporting them at the surface so they can breathe. They play, they tease, and they form lifelong bonds of friendship and family. They are not mindless killers. They are sentient beings with rich, complex social and emotional lives. However, the wolves of the sea face a modern threat that even their intelligence and power cannot overcome alone. Us. The ocean, their kingdom, is changing. Chemical pollutants like PCBs build up in their blubber, passed from mother to calf, compromising their immune systems and reproductive health. The noise from ships and sonar interferes with their ability to communicate and hunt, blinding their sonic world with a cacophony of industrial sound. Overfishing depletes their food sources, forcing pods like the southern residents to the brink of starvation. And then there's the legacy of captivity, a chapter that has cast a long shadow over our relationship with these magnificent animals. For decades, we saw them not as complex societies, but as entertainers. The story of Orcas in captivity is a stark reminder of our misunderstanding. But the tide is turning. As our knowledge grows, so does our respect. Researchers are dedicating their lives to understanding their languages, their cultures, and the threats they face. Conservation efforts are underway to restore salmon populations, reduce ocean noise, and clean up the pollutants that poison their home. We are beginning to see the orca, not as a monster or a commodity, but as a fellow intelligent species, a master of its environment, a symbol of the wild, untamable spirit of the ocean. They are the wolves of the sea, not because of a thirst for blood, but because of their intelligence, their social bonds, and their role as keystone predators that shape the very health of the marine ecosystem. To look into the eye of an orca is to see a deep, ancient intelligence looking back. They are a mirror, reflecting the profound beauty, complexity, and fragility of our planet's oceans. Protecting them is not just about saving a single species. It's about preserving the wild heart of the sea itself. The fate of their family and the health of their kingdom now rests in our hands. Thanks for watching. If you are fascinated by the world of orcas, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more journeys into the wild.